Hey guys, Dave from DE Services here again, and I wanted to show you this. I thought was pretty neat, and some people might like this. So my house is from 1890. Yeah, I said 1890. That's right. I just redid my kitchen, and I took a wall out that separated my dining room and my kitchen. So we had some really nice old beams and stuff like that, timber, and I wanted to show you something. This is one of the things that we did. You could see the old mortises that they used, and I made this shelf. I used actually 10-inch, half-inch lags. That was what I refer to it as the chunk beam. And we had some smaller ones, and you can kind of see right there that I made some smaller ones. Just made them for shelves for my wife. And then I also made this, which is really cool. It's a slider door, and I made it out of the 2x4s that were in this wall. I milled them down. After I pulled out all the nails, I milled them down in the planer and glued it all together. I drilled each and every one of these beams, and I put half-inch threaded rod going through it, which I actually used for two purposes. One, for decorative, and two, I didn't need clamps, so I used these as the clamps. So I left them in, looks good. I ordered the sliding hardware from a company online, and took a little while to get, but I gotta tell you, it was worth it. Really nice product. You can kind of see the rollers, they look really nice, and try to get some of the detail. I even used some of the old styled chiseled nails from the beams that we pulled out. So again, you know, this is some of the projects that people like and I get asked about all over. And you know, I hope you guys like this, and maybe it'll inspire you to try to build something like this. All right. So there's the last view of it. If you have any questions, reach out to me in the comments, and I'll try to get to you. Thanks.